niggas in the booth. Can't be hanging around niggas we ain't cool with. Same youngin' from the bottom came up. I can't fuck with him, I see changed up. YouTube. Y'all know what's going on, man. Look, we back with another pet over. You know what I'm saying? We outside. It's early in the morning. It's 8:06. Man, who giving y'all early morning POVs, man? Just tell me. So I'm dropping a POV today. This another POV we gonna drop this week. We finna get active, man. Y'all see what's going on. We in Houston. It's a bright early morning in Houston. It's still 75 degrees outside. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah, let's get active. I usually be cutting up right here. I can't fuck with him. My seat changed up. Oh God. No, look, so these POVs gonna be a little more different. We upgraded phones. We got new phones. My bad. We got new phones, so these POVs might hit a little more toxic now. You know what I'm saying? Like they might be the best POVUD face that. But no, so right now we just getting active, man. We be outside out here. Hey, look, y'all. The goal of being successful is getting up every morning on time, making a structured time to get up, working. When you get up, work. You have to work. You have to work when you wake up, man. If you're gonna be outside or if you're gonna be inside and you ain't got no job, you need to find you some type of work to do so that way you ain't gotta worry about not having no funds, you know. They be mad at me when I do this. It's usually a lifeguard up there, but I can't really be cutting up too much right there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we outside. We trying to get active right now. I'm on my way to the crib. I ain't trying to get active shit, but with the bed. So y'all go ahead, man. We gonna just let y'all see. I'm gonna do an ASMR. We gonna stop talking and we gonna ride. You feel me? So let's get active. Let's go. My lights finally went off on my freaking dash, man. We're getting a new carbon fiber steering wheel. Look at folks. Sleepy, wake up, bro. Get to the money, man. It's not being sleepy, gang. It's probably gonna be like an 8-minute POV. V8. That's a V8. It's a Toyota truck, a Titan V8. That's crazy. But yeah, so POV. It's a tunnel up here. I'll probably give y'all a tunnel pool. So have I, you know? But yeah, so I ain't gonna lie, this is average day in Houston. Like, it's always nice in the mornings. It's usually hot as hell in the summer. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, I try to stay inside when it's hot like that, you know, because nigga really ain't got time for none of that, man. You ain't got time to be out here sweating and shit, so, you know. That's a $1,700 exhaust, man. We got the boiler, attacker, straight pipe, 5-inch tips. We got the flaps removed. We got the resonator and the mid muffler deleted. So, yeah, this it's loud, but I ain't gonna lie, with them 2 S-type bullets. Oh, and I got 2 S-types. So, them 2 S-types act like they damn near like shush the car up. So, it's like if we're not doing nothing, if we're not cutting up, or if we're not stepping in the gas, the car shouldn't just be dirt loud for no reason. You niggas be liking y'all cars like that. I'm not like that, bro. So, yeah, we out here, 4K. Outside early morning traffic. Even the kids getting up and getting active. So if you ain't getting up and getting active right now and getting you some money, then you got a problem, man. Money on. Keep them fun yons. You gonna have fun yon with your money on. You feel? But yeah, so we got one more light. I got one more tunnel for y'all. I'm gonna give y'all one more pool. with the window down. But this look crazy in cinematic mode. So it's my first POV in cinematic. How does this look? This a real POV, you know?